Question 11 here. We have the n term of an arithmetic projection AP is divided by Tn equals open bracket 2n plus r. Find the sum of the first 10 terms of the AP. Here are the options: surely, could. Now let's look at it. We are being told that it is an arithmetic projection and they want us to find the sum of the first n term. Let's write the formula for calculating sum of the nth term of an arithmetic projection. That is Sn is equals to n over 2 open bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d close bracket. This is the formula. Now, but for us to be able to apply this formula, we need our n, which we know our n from the question. They said sum of the first 10 terms. That means our n is 10, but we don't know our a. Our a, which is our first term, we don't know. Our d, which is our common difference, we don't know. We don't know this. But how do we get this? A is equals to first term. D is equals to common difference. Now, how do we now get our first term and our common difference? In the question, we are being given the Tn, the nth term. That is, we are being given this, that Tn is equals to 2n plus 1 over 2. Then from here, we can get our first term. Now, we know our first term is going to be a, and our first term is equals to 1. That means here, we can substitute the value for n equals 1. That is, when n is equals to 1, we will substitute into this and get. That means we are going to have T1 is equals to 2 open bracket 1 plus 1 over 2. Here we are going to have T1 is equals to 2 over 1 plus 1 over 2. And that's going to give us by the time we add this up, the SM is 2. We are going to have 2. We are going to have 2 plus we are going to have the SCM to be 2. Then this is going to give us 4 plus 1, and that's going to give us 5 over 2. That means here now our A is equals to 5 over 2. Then we also need to get our difference. We have gotten our E here now. We then need to get our difference. To get our difference is gotten from T2 minus T1. That means we also need to get our T2. So now for n equals 2, that means we are going to have T2 is equals to 2 open bracket 2 plus 1 over 2. And by the time we 2 times 2, 4, we have 4 plus 1 over 2. That's going to give us 9 over 2. By the time we sum 2 times 2, 4, 4 over 1. By the time we add 4 plus 1 over 2, we are going to have 9 over 2. Now we have gotten our T2, which is our second term. But we need our common difference. Then we know that our common difference D is gotten from T2 minus T1. That means you can have our T2 now, which is 9 over 2 minus our T1, which is T1 is equals to A. Our T1, the first term, is equals to A. Now, our T1 is 5 over 2. By the time we subtract this, we are going to have 4 over 2, and that's going to give us 2. So we now have our A to be 5 over 2. We have our D to be 2. That means what we need to get the sum of the first 10 terms is ready. Then we go back to our formula here. So we go back to Sn. We want to find sum of the nth term 10. That means S10 is equals to n. Our n is 10. That's 10 over 2, open bracket, 2 bracket a, 5 over 2 plus 10. Our n is 10. 10 minus 1, close bracket, and our d, common difference, is 2. We close the bracket. Here, we are going to have 10 divided by 2 give us 5, open bracket. Here, 2 cancel 2, we have 5 plus 9. So we have here to be 5, open bracket, 5 plus 9 times 2, 18. We close bracket here. Then we have 5. 5 plus 18. 5 plus 18 will give us 23. Now we have 5 times 23. 5 times 23 will give us 115. That means the sum of the 10th term, S10, which sum of the 10th term is going to give us 115. And that's option D, 115.0. 115 points. That's option D. Surely, Kole.